Muhammad Ashraf bin Abu Qasim. Alright, today I want to present about Jig and Features project. Alright, lecture evaluated by Dr. Roshida binti Jafar and Encik Muhammad Faiz bin Wahid. Alright, this is the group member of my project, which is me, Muhammad Ashraf, and Ahmad Munawir and Ashad Aziz. Right, for the introduction, right, this intro about the Jig and features now are carefully designed so that large number of comparable components may be machined or assembled in a consistent manner. Means that this tool is save time and reusable for to make other product in manufacturing industry factory, right? Device which help it increase the rate of identical, reduce the human effort. This is the main object of this Jig and feature, right? Objective in this project is to deliver the drawing part for the Jig using CATIA software. This CATIA software is has been learned like 2 years ago. 2 years ago in SEM 2 in lab at UTM. So we apply the CATIA software to make this design for the Jig design. So in this project, to design a suitable locator and support method for the Jig. This is the main objective. When lecturer gave us the part and we designed the Jig, which is we choose the template Jig, right? And we submit the technical report for the design Jig and feature, right? So move to my friend.
And greetings. I am Azhar Aziz. I will discuss about problem statement. So the problem statement that we had is project is hardly to apply the Pokayoki to the Jig part. This is due to the design of the product. Next, lack of idea to design the Jig, locator, support, and boost. And lastly, the Jig drawing has indicated the size of each item that will be mounted on the workpiece. Next, locating and supporter method. For locator, we had pin method. For locators, we had pin and locating pin. A pin function to press fitted or driven into the body of jig or fixture is standard. For the locating pin, they are utilized in manufacturing setups to precisely position workpiece in various orientation to make it possible to execute a wide range of manufacturing operation or dimensional inspection. For the supporters, we have drilling boost. Drilling boost is used in metal working jigs to cut tools, most commonly drill bits.
Assalamualaikum and greetings. I'm Ahmad Munawir and I want to present about our design of jig. In this project, we choose the template jig, which is the simplest jig in all type of jig. So first of all, in this slide, as you can see, for the first picture is our assembly drawing between the base of template jig and the supporter, which is the bush and the locator. In this design, we also use the Pokayoki concept, as you can see in the drawing at the bottom of template jig, which is the meter, which is the dimension is 52.72 millimeter times 46 millimeter, which is a Pokayoki concept in this design to reduce or prevent errors associated with misalignment of part. Selection for the locator allow fewer product quality rejection due to direction when datum points tolerance along the certain plane are less strict. In that mean, the Pokayoki concept, which is the locator and the Pokayoki in our base template, is to prevent any misalignment and prevent the workpiece and the template moving while drilling process. So the function of a bush in our design is to easy and guide the manufacturer to drilling into the drilling process. Okay. For the second picture is our drawing of base template, which is not include the supporter and the locator. So the dimension for our base is 220 mm times 130 mm and 70 mm. So in this dimension, we add an extra 5 mm around between the workpiece to hold the workpiece like it should be. So the next slide is our design dimension for our bushing and locator. For the bushing, we use the diameter for the outside bushing. We use a diameter 16 millimeter, which is the whole diameter in the workpiece is the 12 millimeter. So we use the bushing with the outer dimension is a 16 millimeter. So it can guide easily for the drilling process. So for the second one is our locator pin. Locator is put in at the bottom our base template jig, which is to hold the workpiece and the template jig to prevent any misalignment into the while drilling process. For the dimension of our locator is 60 millimeter height and a 10 millimeter of the diameter is a locator. Okay, that's all for our drawing. So the conclusion is in this our project, student will able to design and construct a software SolidWorks that can contain various workpieces in terms of size and shape, particularly rectangular and cylindrical workpieces. Second one, in this project, the proposed design was created based on the design concept generation and numerous analysis were performed. For lastly, the design has been complete with teamwork effort to achieve the objective. That's all. Thank you.